A young girl named Daylin went for a walk with her dog Max near the snowy hills. The weather slowly became colder and heavy snow started falling. Wind grew strong and soon the path disappeared under the ice. Daylin realized they were trapped in the freezing snow. She felt scared, but she looked at Max, who stayed close and calm. His warm eyes gave her courage. Daylin remembered that hope is stronger than fear. She hugged Max to keep him warm and covered him with her scarf. They started moving forward together. The snow was deep and their steps were slow, but they did not stop. Max used his strong sense to guide the way and Daylin entrusted him. They helped each other through the cold silence. After a long struggle, Daylin saw soft light ahead. It was a small wooden cabin hidden under snow. With tired legs and a hopeful heart, she reached the door. Soon they were safe inside, feeling warmth and relief. In that moment, Daylin understood that hope, love, and trust can save lives even in the coldest darkness.